What if I told you there's a hidden meadow in the Himalayas that turns into a snow-covered fairy tale in winter, bursts with wildflowers in spring, and feels like a doorway to the clouds in summer? Welcome to the Dayara Bugyal Trek, one of the most stunning high-altitude grasslands in Uttarakhand, and today, I'm taking you on a complete journey from how to plan it, budget it, trek it, and fall in love with it. Whether you're looking for a weekend escape or a full-fledged Himalayan experience, this trek has it all. Gentle terrain, panoramic views, forest trails, and wide, rolling meadows. It's also ideal for a family trek or a solo trek if you crave peace and stargazing. Nestled in the Garhwal Himalayas, Dayara Bugyal lies in Uttarakhand's Uttarakhand district. Bugyal means alpine meadow in the local language, and Dayara Bugyal is one of the most accessible and picture-perfect bugyals you'll ever come across. But the real reward? It's the Dayara Bugyal stargazing nights. The meadows at night are surreal. You'll see constellations with the naked eye, sometimes even the Milky Way. And then there's Dayara Bugyal snow, soft, untouched, and pure white. You'll feel like you're walking inside a snow globe during the Dayara Bugyal snow trek. Trek details and difficulty. Let's dive into the Dayara Bugyal Trek details. The trek starts from a quaint village called Barsu. That's right, your Barsu to Dayara Bugyal Trek is the most common and scenic route. The entire trail is about 9 kilometers one way, reaching an altitude of 11,800 feet. Now, here's the good part. This is not a hardcore expedition. If you're wondering, is the Dayara Bugyal Trek difficult? The answer is easy to moderate. That's why it's also perfect for beginners and first-time trekkers. Best time to visit. So when should you go? The best time for Dayara Bugyal Trek depends on what magic you're chasing. Come during spring, March to April, for fresh blooms and misty trails. This is the Dayara Bugyal Spring Trek experience. Visit in summer, May to June, for clear skies and lush meadows, ideal for the Dayara Bugyal Summer Trek. And if you're dreaming of snow, December to February is your time. The Dayara Bugyal Winter Trek is a wonderland with frozen streams and powdery trails. Want to make it unforgettable? Plan your Dayara Bugyal Trek in New Year and wake up to the first sunrise of the year in the Himalayas. Trek plan and itinerary. Here's a quick Dayara Bugyal Trek itinerary. Day 1. Arrive in Barsu village from Dehradun or Delhi to Dayara Bugyal Trek base, usually via Uttarakhand. Day 2. Trek from Barsu to Barnalatal or straight to Dayara campsite. Day 3. Explore the meadow. Indulge in Dayara Bugyal camping, stargazing, and photography. Day 4. Trek back to Barsu and return. Trek permit, guide and DIY option. You don't need a special Dayara Bugyal Trek permit, but it's wise to carry ID and register at the forest checkpost. Going with a local Dayara Bugyal Trek guide is highly recommended for a richer experience and safety. Feeling adventurous? Try the Dayara Bugyal Trek DIY do-it-yourself version, but ensure you carry a map, warm gear, and proper essentials. Trek essentials and tips. Speaking of which, here are your Dayara Bugyal Trek essentials. Sturdy trekking shoes. Thermals and layers, especially for winter. Sleeping bag, if not with an agency. Power bank, torch, and water bottle. Dry fruits and snacks. A lightweight backpack. Sunscreen and sunglasses. Cost and budget. Now, let's talk about the Dayara Bugyal Trek cost. If you go through an agency, the Dayara Bugyal Trek package can range from 5,000 Indian rupees to 9,000 Indian rupees depending on season, inclusions, and group size. Want to keep it low? Here's the rough Dayara Bugyal Trek budget DIY. Travel from Delhi to Barsu and back, 500 to 2,000 Indian rupees. Food and stay in Barsu, 800 to 1,000 Indian rupees per day. Forest entry or guide, if taken 500 to 1,000 Indian rupees. Camping gear rental, 1,000 to 1,500 Indian rupees. You can do the trek for as low as 3,000 to 4,000 Indian rupees if planned well. So, whether you're craving a peaceful retreat, a snow-covered adventure, or a vibrant summer meadow, Dayara Bugyal Uttarakhand welcomes you with open arms. Let this be more than just a trip. Let it be your story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this Dayara Bugyal Trek vlog with someone who needs a break from city life. Which season would you choose? Spring, snow, or stargazing?